My buddy at 412 Motorsports, the owner, Joseph, hit me up last night. He's like, dude, have you seen the video of my M3? And I was like, dude, I seen it. Shooting flames looks insane. And first I thought he had boot mod 3, but it comes to find out he actually doesn't. It's the new custom tune that they're offering. So if you guys are interested in this tune that you guys see at the end of this video, make sure to hit up 412 Motorsports if you guys are in the Los Angeles area. So yeah guys, right now it's like 3 o'clock on a Friday. There's so much traffic. My girlfriend is right behind me. She's following me. We're gonna drop the car for 412 Motorsports and we're gonna pick it up later. What I'm really excited about is to get some roller shots with the car backfiring. I think those are gonna be so epic on this. I'll catch up with you guys when we get to 412 Motorsports. All right guys, so I just got to 412 Motorsports. I know I really didn't show anything, but we went for a quick test drive real quick and my stock charge pipes blew. I still have the stock ones, so I think it's time to upgrade them. So we're gonna be doing the Evolution Racework ones and I'll show you guys what happened. But this is Joseph's car. If you guys seen the last video, he recently took the wing off and he got everything fixed. So it looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. This is like a full track car now. It looks so sick. You got the OEM wheels back on with the meaty tire setup, like as always. But yeah, it looks good. So we're gonna go see what they're doing with the stock charge pipes. Need a knife.
You don't need a knife.
Bro, I don't got the Lebanon muscle. See? Oh yeah.
Now you're a man.
Now I'm a man. Yeah, but that one's not holding. It's already done. Damn. Oh yeah, these are way nicer. Oh wow. It's strong. Oh yeah. Get it? Yo, I'm waiting for the next 412 vlog. What the hell's going on?
Oh, it's already done.
It's already done?
Yeah.
Alright, I want to see it.
I just want to take you out of business, feel me?
Huh?
I just want to put you out of business, feel me?
Now I want everything that finished now. I'm gonna have my working intakes done and that finished.
You like that?
Looks nice.
That's nice.
Looks clean. Dude, look how skinny this is, bro. This is crazy. Damn, looks so good now. So I'm ready for power, right?
Devin!
So we're just changing out the stock charge pipes to the Evolution Raceworks ones. Other than that, this car is officially coming together. It's gonna be insanely fast after with this new tune. Can't wait to see some flames. So good.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'm not too sure I'm going to organize this vlog, but right now we're going to head out to the CSF Players Show meet in Rancho Cucamonga. So, let me show you guys the Evolution Raceworks charge pipes that we installed yesterday. They came out really good. My car is officially full bolts on now. I mean, minus like turbo upgrades and all that other crazy stuff, you know, just like the general like engine mods you do to your car. So let's check it out. There they are right there, the Evolution Raceworks. It makes me want to get everything in a polished finish now. I think that would look really sick actually. So possibly thinking about refinishing this in a polished finish and that as well. And maybe repainting that as well too. So I'm not too sure, but the engine bay is finally coming together. It looks good. I know I need to get a new cover to color match the car, but you know, right now I'm purple, so maybe I'll just get it wrapped. But I know with the car getting really hot inside of the engine bay, that's probably not a good idea. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna run the black one. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think down below. Officially full bolts on with my M2 competition. So yeah guys, we're gonna head out right now. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I gotta move my girl's car so I can get my car out. Also recently got a new lip. It looks really good. I put an undersplitter on there just to protect it, even though it's carbon fiber. I need something to protect that. But the front just looks so good. I took the side canards off as well. Gosh, my dogs always bark when I come to the garage. And also my stock wheels are back on. They're just black now. Well, that's how they got black. I'm not gonna answer that question. But they're black, they look good. I love them way better than other wheels because those are 20s. These are 19, so it's a lot better. And then obviously you gotta have the plug here. So yeah, guys, we're gonna head out right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys hopefully some flames shooting out of the M2, and then you're gonna be able to hear how loud the pops are and stuff. Hopefully it captures it on camera. So yeah, guys, let's head out. So we just pulled up to the E85 station. This tune allows me to run like 2 gallons, so I'm gonna put 2 in there and see what happens. Hopefully it makes the flames a lot bigger. Let's go, my girl, do her makeup. We'll see. She was telling me, she's like, they better be big or it's gonna waste some money. Damn, got the whole squad. Damn, Alex. Munching out. Oh my god, what just happened, bro? That was wild. We got this sick ass button built Ferrari. Looks so dope. This car was at SEMA, but I don't think I showed you guys. We got both of the Ferraris here. Crazy. Oh my god! Dude, that dog is so cute.
She's like a little human French. She's the same from Dexter.
Oh man, seeing this makes me want to get my wide body BMW back. Looks so sick. Damn. Look at these wheels. It reminds me of my old wheels. But these are like a more of a gold lip. Mine's are more of a bronze. So clean. I think it's still a Warsteiner wide body kit. I want my car now. It's the car, huh? The one that's the meat?
Yeah.
You're like with the huge rear tires.
Like that 305.
355.
I mean, yeah, 355.
Damn. 355.
It keeps on going.
Wow. This thing is nuts. This one's pretty dope too. Like, it's more like complex, but I'm all about all the aggressiveness. I like that a lot. Full carbon, everything, dude. This is crazy. What do you guys think? With T37s, bro, you took it to the next level.
Like a perfect combo.
Right? Look at all these little details. Wow.
Hey, peep his roll cage, bro.
Let me see. Let me see.
I like that color, bro.
Oh, wow. Oh my. Dude, he has a little blue Yoshi. That's sick. Wow, this is cool. Dude, I want these rear flaps on mine. That's so sick. Damn, this is crazy, guys. What do you guys think? Vars, a wide body for the M4. Looks so good. Make sure to follow him. Vars M4. We've seen this build at SEMA. This insane exhaust. Damn, dude, this is crazy, bro. Love these wheels. Such a clean build. It deserves to be on the ramps, not on the floor. Wow. Milky bun or a scoop? I think I would get this better. This? No. No, this is better. So good. And Alex, we're gonna do this swing next. All right.
Maybe.
Maybe. We could do pull-ups on it.
Hips and everything. Push-ups. You've been eating that shit too.
Dude, this is like, I showed you guys this crotch signal, but this thing looks insane. Dude, look at, it's full race car, bro.
Oh yeah, it's just sick.
Go to my house. Call me. What's up, bro? Dude, I'm fucking hungry. That's what I'm gonna go eat. Alright, bro. The whole point of this video is to try to catch my car shooting flames. So like I said, we're leaving the meet right now. We're catching the freeway to go home. And we're actually gonna go to my buddy's gender reveal party. He actually used to have a wide body F30 just like mine before. So we're gonna go there in a little bit, and hopefully around nighttime we're gonna get some rolling footage of the car. But yeah, this is an update of what we're doing right now. Like I said, we're gonna go home because I lost my girl's phone, so we're gonna try to find that. But yeah, guys, let's get out of here.
3 hours later.